In an ever-connecting world, do you know where your company will be in 10 years? Over the next decade, the Internet of Everything economy will give businesses the chance to claim their share of a $14.4 trillion opportunity. A $14.4 trillion opportunity to connect the people, processes, data, and things that are unconnected. The first movers who take advantage will reap the bottom line value at stake in many ways. Their employees will work more efficiently. They will be more productive and reduce costs. They will streamline supply chains and logistics while uncovering innovations and improving the customer experience. Is your company ready to thrive in the Internet of Everything economy? The future is at stake. Tomorrow starts here.